Hi, Sarah here. I've got an unboxing video for you today. It's been a while since I've done a video. We've been renovating our house, and as you can see from this box, the dust has got literally everywhere. It's awful. But anyway, this is the Mind the Scrap December kit, which I'm yet to have a play with. So I will show you what is in here and get rid of this dusty, gross box and show you all the loveliness inside. So these are the kits. There's the mixed media, embellishment add-on, the main kit, paper add-on, and I also get black cardstock as an add-on as well. So I'm going to take everything out of the wrappers and show you each part of the kit individually. So first off, I have these 5 pieces of thick black cardstock, which I like to do my layouts on. I do like to try and do around 50-50 really with white, because I really like the way the bolder colours look on black. Also quite a lot of ink spray show up really nicely as well as sequins. So I have 5 of them. They also do white over in the shop. I'll leave links below for that way below for all the goodies and where you can buy them. So in the main kit you will get a green, which the colour is, they usually say Lime Crush. Also a thick white cardstock, always handy, and a pink, which is Basil again, Cold Cream. So those are the cardstocks in the main kit. Because I get the paper add-on, with the paper add-on you do get the cardstock as well, so I've got another one of each there. So that is the cardstock from the main kit and the cardstock from the add-on. Okay, and now the papers. First off, by Vicky Booton, All Good Things, we have Good Vibes. So that is A side. And then the reverse is this beautiful blue aqua pattern there. Next up we have Dear Lizzie Stargazer, and this one's called Make a Wish. So there's lots of dots on the first side, and then on the reverse we have this gorgeous indigo blue, maybe kind of colour. It's very pretty, a bit different there. Next up, by Crepe Paper, we have Main Squeeze, and this one is Cute Pear, with cute pears on it. And the reverse for that one is this nice peachy, very similar colour to the cardstock, with lots of hearts on it. And they're kind of scribbly doodle hearts. Next up we have Pink Paisley Well Child number 7, and this side is cut aparts. And then the reverse of that is this pattern here with blues and greens. So in the main kit you'll just get one of each, but I get the add-on, so I'm showing you both sides as I go along. Next up, Stargazer again. This one's called Just Peachy with peaches. And then the reverse of that is this green pattern here, which would be great for matting. It's also got a nice pretty branding strip that can be used. Another Well Child, this one's number 11 by Pink Paisley, and there's these starry shapes there on that side. And then the reverse is lots and lots of insects or bugs, whatever you want to call them. So there's definitely some boyish elements, but a nice balance with girly ones as well, so it's a really nice mix there. And the colours are really pretty throughout, lots of greens, peaches and blues. So that is both the main and paper parts of the kit. So the rest of the main kit now, we have this chipboard sheet, which is Crepe Paper Good Vibes, 44 chipboard stickers. I'll get rid of the packaging for everything. can get a better look at this now. A cute birdie in the corner. So we get this chipboard sheet. We also get some alphas. These ones are called Doll and they're in a lime green glitter foam. And finally we also get some stickers, which are the Pink Paisley Wild Child collection again. I'll take these out of the package as well. So here's the sticker sheet. It's one of those that's pretty much a 12 by 12, but it's in folded in half. And there's 87, and they're all nice boy theme, but obviously a lot of these are really just gender neutral. There's only a few ones that might be specifically boyish. So that is what you get in the main kit. So there's one of each of the papers and cardstocks, the chipboard, the stickers and the alphas. So moving on, I'll show you what is in the embellishment add-on. First off, in the embellishment add-on we have some more stickers. These ones are the phrase stickers, and there's also a few little embellishments, and they've got some really funky foiling on them as well. And these, I believe, are, whoops, they're called Explorer, and they'll be the ones that go with the, I think these will be the Wild Child ones, because obviously they all go perfectly. And these are quite boyish compared to the images, as you can see, boyish. Which is definitely nice for a change, because you don't get that many boy collections really. So we get them, but then to balance out all the boyish, we've got the Wild Child but the girl version in the ephemera. So I'm not going to take all these out, I'll just show you the back. So there's florals and cute things. Again though, because it's mostly just images, it could be used, a lot of them could just be used for boys or girls, especially younger, like little boys, nursery age kind of thing. So there's 40 pieces there. And finally, in the embellishment add-on, we have Bramble Fox again. We've got these two acrylic words. See the thickness there? They're lovely and chunky, and the colours match the kit perfectly. So that is the embellishment add-on. And finally, we have the mixed media add-on. In the mixed media add-on, we have two paints. You don't necessarily get these two particular colours. There are two other colours as well. I got Plum Pudding and Daiquiri Ice, and these are Vicky Boughton paints. And to go with those, I also got some stencils. I actually already have these two, so I will be racking these. I'm approaching a few big numbers on Instagram and YouTube, so I will be doing a giveaway, and these will probably go in it, because I have these two stencils already. So there's a dotty one and a cross one, which are very awesome. So, and those are by Heidi Swap. So that is your mixed media kit, stencils and two paints. So that is everything in the Mind the Scrap December kit. If you want to stay tuned, I will be doing a sped up video at the end where I put all my kit together into my box that I'll be using to scrap from until I've killed it, and then I do a killer kit video. So if you do want to stay tuned for that, then carry on watching. If not, then switch off now. Thanks for joining me. Bye!